Hack number 5. Got a broken or low-pressure watering can? No worries. Here's a simple hack to boost water pressure and make watering your plants more fun. All you need is a spoon and some zip ties. Just tie the spoon to the nozzle with the zip ties and watch as it transforms into a pressure shower for your plants. You can even use this trick on your garden hose for extra power. Try it and see the magic. Hack number 4. Got some old plastic bottles lying around? Don't throw them away just yet. Let me show you how to turn them into something magical for your plants and garden. First, strip off any labels and stickers. Now, cut off both the top and bottom ends and flatten the bottle into a plastic sheet. Next, cut that sheet into long strips. Grab a pen, make a few markings, and punch some holes where marked. Add one final slit, and you're done. What have you made? These strips double as plant support clips and labels, all in one. No need for those expensive store-bought clips anymore. Hack number 3. Want to grow your own potatoes without spending a fortune? Here's a simple hack. Instead of buying pricey seed potatoes, use regular ones from your grocery store. Just cut them into pieces, making sure each piece has at least one eye. That's where the magic happens. Each piece grows into a new plant. Now, after cutting, don't plant them right away. Leave the pieces in a shady spot with good air circulation for a day or two. This lets the cut surfaces dry and form a scab. Because if you plant them wet, they're more likely to rot in the soil. Once they're dry and scabbed over, it's time to plant. Place them in a grow bag filled with well-draining soil and compost, but don't bury them too deep. Water well, and in no time, you'll see your potato plants sprouting. Finally, when the plants turn yellow and die back, it's time to harvest. Enjoy your homegrown potatoes. Hack number 2. Got an ant problem in your garden? Ants can be a real nuisance in your garden. They not only carry pests like mealybugs to your plants, ants also build their nests in soil which can disturb the plant roots. Here's a simple trick to get rid of ants. Grab some cornmeal powder from the grocery store. Sprinkle a line of it around the edges of your garden beds, plants, or containers. It's a natural ant repellent. When ants eat the cornmeal, it expands in their stomachs and does the job without any harmful chemicals. Keep your garden ant-free the natural way. Hack number 1. Looking for a natural way to keep pests and animals out of your garden? Grab some fresh ginger from your kitchen. Chop it into small pieces and toss them in spots where animals or rodents tend to visit. Or simply bury the ginger around your plants. The strong, spicy aroma of ginger acts like an invisible shield, deterring unwanted visitors like rodents, cats, dogs, rabbits, deer, and even certain insects. No need for harsh chemicals. Just let nature do the work. Your plants will thrive, your harvest will flourish, and those annoying pests and animals will steer clear of your garden for good. Please hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Also, please share it with your gardening friends. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel.